Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study violin notes. First, let's identify the open strings on your instrument. These are G, D, A, and E from lowest to highest pitch. Practice plucking each string and saying its name aloud. This helps connect the sound to the note. Use a digital tuner to ensure your violin is perfectly in tune before you begin. Consistent tuning is crucial for developing a good ear. Next, we'll focus on finger placement. Start with the first finger on each string, understanding how it raises the pitch by one whole step. For example, on the D string, your first finger makes an E. Practice simple one-octave scales, such as G major, slowly and deliberately. Consider using finger tapes on the fingerboard as temporary visual guides to help you find the correct positions accurately. Now, let's connect what you play to what you see. Learn to read notes on the treble clef staff, understanding how they correspond to the strings and finger positions. Practice sight-reading simple melodies for 5 to 10 minutes every day. This builds your recognition speed. Always use a metronome to develop a steady, consistent rhythm, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing it as you improve. To advance your skills, explore two-octave scales and arpeggios across all strings. These exercises build dexterity and expand your range. Begin practicing vibrato to add expression to your playing, and introduce shifting techniques to move smoothly between positions. Remember, consistent, focused practice yields the best results. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.